Listen, everyone. So, Pastor Eddie is not living because Pastor Eddie now is our pastor in charge. So, we have a new overseeing pastor, which is Pastor Shannon. So we welcome him.
It's Pastor Reverend Shannon Corinne Chan Mimi. Pastor Ruben Corinne. It's your name.
No, we also have. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, now you know already. Our overseeing pastor now is Pastor Shannon.
Welcome to our.
Maybe you'll help me by wearing name tag. Remember names.
Sure.
Maybe not so good. Sorry, thank you. Oh, someone's here.
No, Jonah is just good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.